Join me as I take up the challenge of achieving a radiant, perfect, flawless base for mature dark skin. Let me show you how to glow at any age. This base routine is your new holy grail. No creasing, just radiance. Let's dive in. Welcome to our today channel, Black Skin Beauty. Say hi. Hi. Okay, let's get in today's video. I'll be sharing my ultimate flawless base routine, specially tailored for mature dark skin. If you are noticing dryness, fine lines or dullness, don't worry, I got you covered in this video. We are taking glow and radiance and long-lasting beauties that enhances your gorgeous melanin without settling into fine lines. But first off, you need to prep the skin. Great makeup starts with a great skin prep, especially for mature skin. And I'm starting with an hydrating toner to refresh the skin and to prep it for moisture. Then I used a lightweight but rich moisturizer, and this one right here is from Blossom Cosmetics. You can apply with a brush and you can also blend with your fingertips. The most important thing is that make sure it is properly blended into the skin. Do not skip eye cream. A small amount helps smooth under the eyes and also help to prevent concealer from creasing. Next step is application of primer. For mature skin, I recommend a hydrating or a luminous primer, and this hydrating gripping primer here is from Elf Cosmetics. This helps give the skin that healthy light from within glow. Avoid mattifying primers unless you have a very oily skin. They can make mature skin look really dull and dry. Okay, as you can see, I use the Elf primer and it gives my base a smooth and radiant start. For foundation, I went in with a Nigerian brand called Silver Milk and a drugstore called L'Oreal True Match. Now foundation, choose a light to medium coverage foundation with a dewy or satin finish. Full coverage can sometimes feel too heavy and settle into fine lines. I'm applying this Silver Milk foundation mixed with L'Oreal True Match, and I'm using a damp beauty sponge for that airbrush finish. Dab, 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 do not drag. Notice how it blends seamlessly into the skin while still looking natural. If you have hyperpigmentation spots, conceal with a color corrector underneath instead of layering too much foundation. Despite the fact she's 56 years old, check out the radiant and glowing skin after foundation application. Next is concealer. For concealer, I like to go in with an hydrating formula. Apply only where you need it, okay? Under the eyes, around the nose, or on any dark spots. Blend gently with a sponge, a beauty sponge, or your fingertip for a skin finish. Okay, for a skin like finish, you can use a salmon or peach tone corrector under the eyes if you have dark circles. As for she didn't have any dark circles, so all I needed to do was to just blend the highlight, which is the concealer, gently into her skin. Applying a orange shade of blush. Orange shade of blush is usually calmer and very beautiful on dark skin. This is one color I do not ignore when making up a dark skin client, whether mature or young. Make sure you blend it thoroughly to avoid harsh lines. See how this orange shade of blush brought warmth to our dark skin. Now it's time to set. To set everything, I am using a lightweight translucent powder. You can use the banana shade of powder, is really nice. Yes, you can also use Sasha Buttercup And then you can use Mira Cosmetics or Beauty by Adi. These setting powders I just mentioned are lightweight and beautiful for dark skin, and most of them are Nigerian brand aside the banana powder. Press it in lightly with a puff, a beauty blender or a brush, especially under the eyes, forehead, around the mouth, which is what I'm doing now, and then go easy with the powder. Mature skin looks best when it's not overly matte. We want that glow, as you can see. Sculpting the face thoroughly from contour to highlight usually bring back dimension and life to the face. It's time for the brows and the eyeshadow.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy, you can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready, you just gotta trust the right, don't have to be scary, you just gotta follow the light, you're able to be happy, you can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready, you don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it, you gotta go get it for yourself. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy, you can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready, you just gotta trust the right, don't have to be scary, you just gotta follow the light, you're able to be happy, you can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready, you don't have to be, you don't have to be ready, you don't have to be. You are like me, and I'm like you. You are like me, and I'm like you. There's so many ways to be happy, you can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready, you just gotta trust the right, don't have to be scary, you just gotta follow the light, you're able to be happy, you can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready, you don't have to be, you don't have to be ready, you don't have to be.
Yes, this beautiful 56 years old woman is my mother's younger sister, and we call her my favorite auntie. She is so kind and she has been so good to me and my brothers and my sisters. Growing up, she always sent us gari and palm oil. To date, I have never used my money to buy gari or palm oil because this beautiful auntie of mine keeps sending it to me and my siblings, and she does this monthly, every month. It's been years. One of the greatest farmer I know, my Epa, Mama Mingoma, thank you for all you do for us all. So happy birthday, big auntie, big mommy. May the Lord bless you and grant you all your beautiful heart's desire. We love you. Thanks for all you do for us. And here is the finished look. Smooth, radiant and glowing in all the right places. Mature dark skin deserve to shine, and this base routine is proof that you don't have to compromise between coverage and comfort. If you enjoy this, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and share this with a beautiful queen who needs this routine in their life. I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and bye guys.